Hello and welcome to Beautiful Within. So my MSM box has just now arrived. It's in this bright yellow and white colored packet, and I'm going to unbox it in front of you right now. So the theme this time is Trust the Universe and Respect Your Hair, which is said by Bob Marley. This is a quote by Bob Marley, and they have sent a lot of hair care products. So the first product that I have here is a Chronocare shampoo and conditioner duo, which is in the shade fragrance lavender. Repair the hair Provincial lavender shampoo. The shampoo is worth 55 ml is worth $160, and the conditioner is Care to Repair Provincial lavender conditioner. The fragrance, I guess, is lavender. It's coming very well from the bottle also. The conditioner is 55 ml for $195. So I have used Chronocare. I guess I used the lemon flavor shampoo before, and it was really nice for me, but it has been some time since I used it. It's been around 1 to 2 years, so I've not tried the lavender range, but I'll be very happy to try it, as anyways lavender is my favorite fragrance. So the second or the third product rather, they've sent they've sent 6 products this time, so which is really great, is a Herbal Me herbal hair oil. This is the oil. I've not tried Herbal Me before. They say that it's a herbal hair oil with active herbs infused. This is a 30 ml sample, and the 30 ml, this is a sample. 200 ml, the full size retails for $395. Then they have Rusk Deep Shine Oil. So this is the protective oil treatment, which this is from Rusk Protective Oil Treatment Deep Shine Oil, which says that it soothes the cuticle and eliminates frizz for all hair types. So basically you have to put this oil in your cuticle. It's anyways a very tiny size bottle. I guess it's 8 ml and it's a full size. So this 8 ml thing is for $299. So you have to only put it in your cuticle so that the frizziness is gone. Because for that, this much oil is okay, I guess. So the fifth product is a Bodygraphy Foundation Primer. This is the bottle. It is a 15 ml bottle, and this is for $675. Yes, this is a full size for $675. This is in the shade name Clear. So I'll just show you. Oh, it's packed actually. So I'll actually let it remain packed, because if you're using a body product, let's say a face product, it is very much essential that if you'll not use it immediately, you keep it packed, because otherwise the expiry starts as soon as you open it and then you expose it. So I'll actually keep it packed because I'm using a different primer right now, but it's in the fragrance Clear. It's in the shade Clear. I'm really sorry. I'm doing certain things which I mostly don't do in videos. I'm stuttering and everything. I just took a train and I came back at 8 AM today, and it's been 1 hour since I came, and I'm really tired. But because the MSM box had arrived, I thought I'll do a review for it, an unboxing and a review. And this is the 6th product, which is an Essence Kajal Pencil in the shade name 27 Samba Green. It is already open, so I'll give you this thing of it. So this is how it looks. I'll also give you a swatch for it. This is the kind of green color that it has, if you can see. It's not very pigmented. I have used Essence pencils before as well. I would say that they're good for everyday usage, but they're not very well pigmented, which is, I guess, okay for a daily usage thing, because they give you a little tint of color, but not extremely pigmented that they'll make your eyes look stand out or something of that sort. So this was MSM box this time. They have also sent a salon voucher of Lakme Absolute Salon, where you can get a complimentary Candy Crush manicure in Bombay, Delhi and Bangalore. So this is also there, which can be used. So which makes it 7 products. So I would say that this month's MSM box is a real run for your money. You should definitely go for it, because the Chronocare shampoos, I'm sure the lavender shampoos are going to be great. I have not tried the hair oil and the oil, the Deep Shine oil, I'm not very sure of. But again, a kajal pencil and then a foundation primer, which is worth $675, and a complimentary voucher from Lakme Salon. I guess you should totally go for it, totally. So this was my MSM box review. Do tell me how you liked your MSM box this month, and did you subscribe for it? And until the next time, I hope I'll recover the next time and be in my senses. So until next time, bye. Thank you.